This 6-part Isuzu Connect tutorial series focuses on basic use of a non-customized Isuzu Connect portal to request policy or goodwill consideration from your Isuzu District Service and Parts Manager. Part 4. How to add a job line to an Isuzu Connect case. Begin by scrolling down the page. Enter in the mileage. Choose miles or kilometers as necessary. If diesel, enter in engine hours. On the right side of the page, find additional information. Find repair order number. Click Edit. Enter your repair order number. Click Save. Click on the Find Operation button. Click Isuzu Labor Time Guide. If you know the Isuzu Labor Operation Code, enter it here. If you do not know the Isuzu Labor Operation Code, simply enter in a keyword. Choose the labor operation by clicking the box. Now choose Add. This will bring you to the Edit Operation screen. If your requested labor time varies from the Isuzu Labor Time Guide, enter in the total labor hours here. Click on the Fixed Labor Total Price box. Enter in your total labor charge. On the right side of the page, enter the customer's complaint. Enter in the cause. Enter in the correction. After entering your correction description, scroll down to find the parts section. Enter in the failed part number and the part name. Enter in the price and click Add Row to add additional parts. Continue until all parts are added. Once all parts are added, click Submit Parts. If any additional charges are necessary, choose them here. Put in the amount and click Add Additional Charge. Before leaving this page, be sure to click Save and Return to Case. Once back to the case screen, scroll down. You will see the added job line here. Click on Print PDF Actions. Select all boxes under Estimate heading. Click Print Estimate. This will open a new PDF window. Review the estimate for accuracy. After review, simply close the tab. Click Cancel. You have now successfully added a job line to the case. Thank you for your attention in Part 4 of this Isuzu Connect tutorial series. Please click on the subscribe button below, and welcome to Isuzu Connect.